The machine instruction cycle. There are three parts to the machine instruction cycle, and the first part is the fetch part. In the fetch phase, the address of the next phase of the instruction is copied from the program counter to the memory address register. This is then sent down the address bus to the location of where the next instruction is held, and then the data that is held at the address location is then sent via the data bus. This is then copied to the memory data register, which is inside the CPU, and this data simultaneously, and the contents of this are then also copied to the program counter. Sorry, the program counter is incremented at the same time, so it holds the address of the next instruction. The contents of the memory data bus are copied to the instruction register. No, I can't go forward. The next phase is the decode phase. This is where all the data that has been retrieved from the fetch phase is decoded, as it is stored in binary, and it is decoded in the control unit so that these instructions can be understood by the ALU as functions such as add and minus. And the final phase is the execute. This is where the ALU uses these decoded instructions and executes and displays the result of the calculation. That was everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.